Next, we talk about the rotation of a point about origin by a certain angle. For example, this is point A is 3, 4, and then it is rotated in an anti-clockwise direction about this origin by 90 degrees, where will be the new position of point A. So if we look at the diagram, actually it will be quite difficult to just draw the image of A after the rotation. We can use a triangle like this to help us. So 3, so the horizontal distance of this triangle will be 3 units. The base is 3. The height will be 4 because the y-coordinate of A is 4. Now we're going to rotate this triangle about the origin by 90 degrees. Now we have a new position of point A. Let's call this A1. Therefore, we use a subscript A1 to represent the new position of A. Now, what will be the coordinates of A1? If we look at the horizontal direction, this is 4 units. Therefore, the x-coordinate should be -4. And what about the y-coordinate? It should be 3 units. And actually, if we look at the triangle itself, after the rotation, and if we don't look at the sign, we just consider the number, the x-coordinate of A1 is actually the y-coordinate of point A. If you don't look at the sign, this number 4 comes from here. And if you look at the triangle, you will see why. So 4 is the height of this triangle. But after the rotation, the height becomes the base of the triangle. For the y-coordinate of A1 is 3. Actually, this number also comes from the x-coordinate of point A. We can see why from the rotation of the triangle. Because after the rotation, the base becomes the height. That means the xy coordinate of A1 and A, they interchange with each other. We flip the x and y coordinates. But note that the x coordinate of A1 has to be negative because it is in the second quadrant. Because the x coordinate should be a negative value for A1.